Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by opening Capcut and creating a new project. Import the video you want a subtitle and any separate audio. Place the clip on the timeline and trim obvious dead space so captions line up with speech. Once done, scrub through to note where sentences begin and end. This makes timing far easier later. Make sure your audio is clear and at consistent volume so automatic or manual transcription will be accurate. Next, add subtitles. Either use Capcut's Auto Subtitles feature for a fast pass or add text layers as subtitles for full control. If you use Auto, review every line and fix misheard words. If manual, paste short readable chunks and keep lines under 2 rows. Once added, drag subtitle edges to tighten timing. Make sure each caption appears when speech starts and disappears right after it ends so viewers can read. Finally, preview the full video to catch overlaps, typos, or timing slips. Reposition captions if they cover important visuals. Once satisfied, export with your desired resolution and frame rate. Subtitles are burned into the video unless you export separate subtitle files. If things go wrong, first resync by nudging subtitle clips. Alternatively, delete auto captions and redo a corrected pass. Make sure to save a project backup before major re-edits so you can revert if needed.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.